YZ here with tip number 31st. Today's tip is take a break from technology. Social media keeps us hooked throughout the week, but it tends to be especially tempting on a relaxing Sunday. So, when you're caught up with your Facebook, Instagram, or whichever social media you're on, time slips by so quickly and easily. And all of a sudden, it's evening time. And all you have done is spend those recipes which you wish you would have made or read about how exciting everyone else's weekends were. So when you take a break from technology and put away your cell phones and laptops, it has a positive impact on your mood and overall mental health. So instead of comparing your days off with your friends, spend some time doing something which enhance your weekends, like spending time with your parents and kids, doing something, fixing something at home which you have been delaying for so many days, and so many other things you can do. So once you have done watching this video, shut down your devices and enjoy your Sunday. Allah.